Hello students, you are heartily welcomed in maths class. Yes, I am hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we are going to start mathematics. Yes, and this is the first class, and the book that is prescribed from the school for the maths, that is Wow Maths. Yes, and we are going to start the first chapter. The name of the chapter, that is numbers up to 10,000. Yes, dear students, now we are going to start. Yes, here the name of the chapter is, that is numbers to 10,000, numbers up to 10,000. Yes, in the earlier classes, in the class second, you have learned about the numbers up to 1000. The numbers up to 1000, how these were framed. Here you can see the example of the cubes. Yes, some small blocks you can see here. If 1 is there, means ones. One block shows ones, and here you can see these are the 10 blocks. These are the 10 blocks. It means this is 110. This is 110. And here when these 10 blocks come together, then these are the 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can see these are the 10 blocks, 10 grids. So this is 100. Yes, so like this, when we compile all these, when we will add all these, so in this way number will be framed. Ones, these are tens, and this is hundreds. Yes, and here you can see 100, 200, 300, 400, and here you can see 100, 200, 300, 400. Yes, then how many tens? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and 5 times 10 is written. Yes, like this. And here you can see ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are 7. When we will add all these, when we will plus all these, then what number will be framed? It will be 457. 457. As we are getting 457, when we will differentiate it, when we will write it differently, so 7 ones, 5 tens, and 4 hundreds. Here you can see this number is framed from here: 7 ones, 5 tens, and 4 hundreds. Yes, now like this all the numbers are framed in mathematics. Like this all the numbers are framed in mathematics. Now it was regarding the class 2, because in class 2 we have learned up to the numbers up to 1000, but now as per the class 3 we will study the numbers up to 10,000. We will study the numbers up to 10,000. How thousands are made? Yes, here ones are there. This is the important thing regarding the numbers, that 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, and 10 ones. When these are 10 ones, yes, so it becomes 110. जब हम इन सभी ब्लॉक्स को कंबाइन करके रखेंगे, इन 10 ब्लॉक्स को हम कंबाइन करके रखेंगे, इट विल बिकम 110. सो वी कैन से 10 ones is equal to 110. ये 10 ब्लॉक्स का 1 ग्रिड बन गया. यस, तो ये 10 ones थे एंड इट इज़ 110. यस, blocks are same, number of the block is same, but the writing style and speaking style is different. जब ये अलग अलग हैं, we will say these are the 10 ones. When we will keep these together, ऐसे एक इसका टावर बना देंगे, ग्रिड बना देंगे, then it will become 110. तो according to maths it has become 10 ones is equal to 110. एंड इन द सेम वे अगर हमारे पास ये 10 ब्लॉक्स हैं, 10 ग्रिड्स हैं, यस लाइक दिस, वन, इसमें भी 10 ब्लॉक्स हैं, हेयर अगेन 10, हेयर अगेन 10, लाइक दिस वी आर हैविंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 टेंस है हमारे पास, यस. When we will join these together, it will become like this, and these 10 tens will make 100. These 10 tens will make 100. Yes, now these are the 100 grids made together. So as per the maths, it will become 10 tens is equal to 100. Yes, and like this, when 10 hundreds will be there, when 10 hundreds will be there, now this is 100. तो ऐसे ही हमारे पास अगर 10 ब्लॉक्स होंगे, एज यू कैन सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, अगर ये हमारे पास 10 100 वाले ब्लॉक्स हैं, then when we will combine these it will become 1000. So we got here this thing, yes, 10 tens, 100 1000 10,000. कैसे बने ये? yes, 10 ones will make 110, 10 tens will make 100, 10 hundreds will make 1000. yes, 1000 cubes make a 1000 block. 1000 cubes make a 1000 block. As this is 1000 cube, yes, block is there. Here you can see all the cubes. When combined, these will be the, how many cubes these will be? These will be the 1000 cubes. In the same way, when we will be having all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. yes, 1 cube is of 1000. Now these are 10,000s. 1000, this is for 1000, this is again 1000, like this. When all these are 10,000s, yes, 10 times 1000, it will become 10,000. It will become 10,000. As you can see here, 1000, these are 2000, these are 3000, these are here 4000, this is 5000, this is 6000, this is 7000, this is 8000, it is 9000. yes, as observed, we are writing 3 zeros, yes, in the 1000, and here like this we will write 10,000. yes. Now here next is there reading and writing the numbers. How we read and write the numbers in mathematics? yes, here we can see 1000 blocks are there, these are 2, and here 100 blocks are there, these are 4. Here these are the tens, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tens, and ones 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the 8, these are the 7, these are the 4, and these are the 2. So the number is 2400, 7 tens, 8 ones. yes, 2400, 7 tens, 8 ones. yes. Now in mathematics the places are there. yes, the places are there, and we write all these digits according to the places. yes, ones, tens, 100, and thousands. These are the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. As we observed here, 2000s, we will write 2 under the 1000 place, and 400s we will write here 4, tens here we will write 7, and ones, here we will write 8. The number we got, that is 2400, 7 tens, 8 ones. And in maths we will speak these both together, because these are the best friends. We will speak these two together. So here how we will speak this? 2478. How we will speak this? 2478. Yes. So in this way the numbers are written and read in mathematics. Yes. For example, if we're writing how we will read this number. Yes, firstly we will write the places. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, this is thousand. So how we will read this? 2400. These we will speak together. It is 96. So how we will read this? 2496. 2496. In the same way, these two we will write together. Yes, 3498. 3498. If it is, we will read these together. 8691. 8691. So like this we will read the numbers, and also we will write the numbers in this way. Yes, let's do one more example. Yes, from the book. Here it is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. There are the 4000s. Here 100 box is blank, so here we will write 1 0 because nothing is there. Yes, then tens 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the 9 tens, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the 9 ones. So here how we will read this number? 4000. These we will speak together. 99. Here nothing is there, we will not speak this. 4099. Yes, in actual it is 4099, but 0 hundreds are there, we will ignore this. Yes, we will not speak this, we will speak 4099. Yes, for today this is enough only, and thank you. Have a beautiful day. God bless you.